I Gurmeet Singh welcome you to CREATA classes. In this lecture we will cover exercise 13.2 question number 5 chapter statistics for class 10th students. So this is the question number 5. Our first step, we will observe the question. In this question the data is given regarding the number of runs scored by some of the top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket matches. In the first column, the total runs are given, and in the second column, the number of batsmen are given. In the first row, the 4 batsmen have scored the run in the range of 3000 to 4000. On the extreme end, only one batsman have scored the run in the range of 10,000 to 11,000. Okay, so this is the data regarding the batsmen and their runs scored in one-day international cricket matches. A question to those who are interested in cricket. The question is that who is that top batsman who has scored in the range 10,000 to 11,000 run? This data may be old, maybe some of the new batsmen have also added in the topmost range. If you know, comment in the below comment section. Okay. So let's take down this question. In this question, we have to find the mode of the data. If only we have to find the mode of the data, then it is easy. The calculation will be simple. Once we have to also calculate the mean of the data, the calculation becomes slightly tough, or the extended calculation is also involved. In this question, we only have to find the mode of the data. Let's do so. Our first step, we will identify the model class. And what is model class? Model class is the class corresponding to maximum frequency. So we have to identify the maximum frequency. Here the number of batsmen is the frequency column and the maximum frequency is 18. Like 18 batsmen have scored in the range 4000 to 5000 run. So here maximum frequency is 18 and the model class is 4000 to 5000. This is the first step and this is the formula of mode. Let's identify F0, F1 and F2. F1 is the frequency corresponding to model class or the maximum frequency. So F1 it is 18 and F0 is the frequency before the model class frequency. So 4 is F0 and F2 is the frequency after the model class frequency. So 9 is F2. We got F0, F1 and F2. Next it is L. L is the lower limit of the model class. So 4000, that is the lower limit of the model class range, it is L. Lastly it is H. H is the class interval. That is the difference in the range. Upper limit minus lower limit. 5000 minus 4000, it is 1000. We got H, that is class interval, as 1000. We got all the values. We can directly put it into the formula. Let's put it and let's solve it. On solving, we got the mode as 4608.69. That is the answer. The model runs scored by a batsman are 4608.7 runs. Note that our answer is in the range of the model class. Our model class range is from 4000 to 5000 and our answer is between 4000 to 5000. So our answer is correct. It is between upper range and lower range of the model class. So we have done with the question number 5. So students, we have done with this lecture. Hope you have enjoyed the lecture. If so, please like, share and subscribe. And also check out the description for various resources related to class 10, like the continuing lecture, the lectures related to other topics, and the PDF of the formula list. All this in the description, check it out. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you very much for being with CREATA classes. Have a great day. Bye for now.